Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about concepts of pointer. Especially we will focus on the void pointer in C. So this is my first video which I am going to present with you all. Let me hope that you all will like this video and please comment and do subscribe this channel. So more similar kind of good videos will be coming in future. So let us start. So here is the sample code, you can see. So I have taken int a 1024, int pointer b which is holding address of a, then char pointer c, address of a, typecasting to char pointer, then void pointer p equal to address of a, void pointer q holding address of p, void double pointer r holding address of p, void triple pointer s holding address of p. So in line 15 we can see I'm typecasting to char pointer since it is int pointer a is int type. So and char pointer I am assigning so typecasting char pointer. So in this case, without typecasting, what will happen? There will be no error, but warning will be there in C. Okay, so we need to typecast to avoid this warning, and it will implicit typecast. We need to typecast to avoid this warning. Next, let's come to line number 21. So what is this? I am printing address of A. A is what? A is holding 1024. A is a variable. Address of that variable I am printing here. Since A is a variable, it will have memory location, and the memory location will have address. That address will be printed. Let's check what it is printing. So it is printing address, right? Address of A. Next, line number 22. Printf address of P. So P is what? P is a void pointer. So here I am printing address of this pointer. Let's check. So pointer will also have address, so that address will be printed, like similar to variable pointer address printed here. Next, check for line number 23. For this, I am dereferencing to P. So P is what? Void pointer. Void pointer I am dereferencing without typecasting. So what is this? It will throw error. We cannot directly dereference to void pointer. Since we have to typecast first, then we can dereference. If we dereference directly to void pointer, then it will throw error. We cannot dereference directly. Okay, so let's check whether it is throwing error or not. So it is throwing error, right? Line number 23, correct. So let us comment it out, otherwise it will throw error. Line number 24, move to line number 24. So here what I am doing, since it is a void pointer, I am typecasting it and then dereferencing it, right? So P is holding what? P is holding address of A. By dereference means what A will hold, that will be printed. A is holding value 1024. So 1024 I will get here. Let's check. 125 I have got, correct. So what is this? Why we are typecasting? Typecasting means we need to read this 1024 value. So it is an integer type. So once we typecast to int pointer, means we are allocating memory, telling compiler to allocate int type memory, so that we will able to read this value in that memory. Whatever value is there, int type, we will able to read this while dereferencing. So that much integer type value memory it will allocate, and then we will able to read the integer type value. So integer type memory for allocation, we are first typecasting it and then we are dereferencing it to read that from that memory location. Let's come to 25. What is this? First dereferencing, then typecasting. Since it is single pointer, we cannot dereference it first. Whether if it is a double point, triple pointer, multiple pointers, then we could have dereferenced it first, then typecast. But in case of single pointer, we cannot dereference it first, because after dereferencing itself, we will get the, since here in this case, we are getting the value. So for any type point, double, triple, directly if we reach to that value location, we cannot directly dereference before. Once we extract the direct value, then we have to typecast. Let it be double pointer, triple pointer. We will see case by case. First, let's see this one. First, we cannot dereference. If we dereference, then it will throw error. Since it is single pointer, first we have to typecast, then dereference. That is what I mentioned here. Let's run and execute. So it is throwing error, right? Line number 25 error, correct? So let's comment out. So it will give error. Next come to 26. So here I am typecasting char pointer, then dereferencing p is what void type pointer. So if it is a void type pointer, I am typecasting char pointer and then dereferencing. So p is holding address of a and a is holding 1024. So 1024 value is there, but since it is a char type, char range is 256. So greater than 256 is 1024. So if anything greater than 256 value we will be expecting, then it will result into 0. So 0 it will print. Let us see what's the expected output. So output is 0, right? It is okay. Next move to 27. So here I am printing q. Q is what? Q is word pointer. So it will print what q is holding, address of p. Address of p it will print. Let's see. Address is printer, correct? Next move. Next line 28. So here I am first typecasting it, then dereferencing it, correct? So it is a single pointer, we have to first typecast it, then dereference it. So here what I will get, q will hold the address of p, correct? So if I dereference, then it will give what p is holding address of a, it will give address of a. So one thing to be noted is that while printing address instead of value, it is not necessary to typecast. If we have directly dereference to q, then also it would have given the address of a. So typecasting int pointer for getting the address is not necessary. This is the thing, important thing. So let's check. Yes, it is given what? Address. Next move to line 30. So what I am printing? R is what? Double pointer. So it will address of p, it is holding address of p. So it will give output as address of p. Let's check. See, it is given address, correct? Address of p. Next move to line 31. What I am printing? First typecasting it, then dereferencing it. What is R is double pointer. So in this case, I am typecasting and dereferencing. R is holding address of p. Dereferencing means what p it will hold, that will be given as the output. P is holding address of a, so address of a will be printed. Since it is a double pointer, so both the things we can do. First, and we are not extracting, reaching to the right value. 124 is also there. So we are not extracting the value here. We are extracting the address. So we can first dereference it and then typecast it. Also we can do, or we can typecast it and dereference it. Both we can do. So we will see that the next line 32. First we should see this one. What is this? First typecasting and then dereferencing it. So it will give the address of a. So in this case, what will happen? While typecasting, some data is lost. So if we dereference it, then typecast, then there will be no data loss. In this case, data loss will be there. So let's see. So it's 31, right? So it is data loss is there. Address is given, but data loss is there, not full address. Let's see in 32 line number. So here, what I am doing, the same thing. What I said, first dereferencing it, R, then typecasting it to int pointer. So instead of double pointer, we can first dereference it, then typecast it until we reach to the value. Okay, until we extract the value. We are here, what we are printing, we are extracting the address, not the value. So we can first dereference and typecast. So it will give the address of a. So in this case, no data loss will be there. First dereference, then typecast. This is the benefit of this double pointer or triple pointer or more than single pointer. This is the benefit. Only in single pointer we cannot first dereference, or more than single pointer we can dereference until we do not reach to the value, or we are do not extracting the value. Okay, so this is the thing. So this is the in-depth thing. So we have to keep in mind these things. So like for double pointer R, allow direct dereference till single pointer we can do. Then typecast for run. Then for triple pointer, direct dereference is allowed till double pointer. Similarly for quadratic pointer, double dereference will be allowed till triple pointer. Okay, so more than single pointer, since double pointer will hold what? The 2 pointer address, and double dereference will reach the value in the address. So here typecast, then dereference. Okay, so these concepts you will not get in the internet everywhere. It will be distributed. So here I have accumulated for you people, so that you can get all these basic concepts in depth at a single place, so that it will be easier for you to have a quick glance before your interview. So have a quick look and then you can crack any interviews. You have a good concepts on these things. Let's move to the third line, 33. So what I'm printing, I am typecasting it and then dereferencing it since it's double pointer, and here I will extract the value. So first I have to typecast it, double time typecasting, then double dereferencing. So what will happen? R holding the address of P holding address of A, and since I am double dereferencing, so what A is holding, that will be printed here 1024. Here first typecast, then dereference. Since it's double pointer and double dereference will reach to that value, so we have to extract that value, right? So if we have to extract that value, then we have to, before that we have to typecast it directly. So directly we have to typecast and then we can dereference it. Similarly for triple pointer, we will get triple point direct dereference, direct typecast is, then dereference is. Triple pointer difference will reach to the value inside. That is what I have mentioned here, right? Okay. Next, come to next line, 34. What I am doing, triple dereferencing it, triple typecasting and dereferencing. Since R equal double pointer, so triple dereferencing means there is nothing winning. It's dereferencing, we are going to extract that address which is not available itself, because it is a double pointer. It can hold maximum 2 address. Third address, if we dereference, there is no valid location, so there is really no output, but there is no error, but there will be no output. So it will hang actually. After that, if any next statement will be there, it will be not executed. So let's see, it will not throw error or it is throwing error. So it is not throwing error, correct? So this is the thing. Double pointer till double dereference it is allowed. Now let's check 35 line number. What is this? As dereferencing it and then typecasting to int pointer. So as is what? As is triple pointer. If we dereference, since as I said, I can do first dereference to more than single pointer. It is a triple pointer, double pointer, triple pointer. First dereference we can do until we directly extract the value. So once we dereference, means as holding address of P, what P is holding, address of A. So address of A, here it will be printed. So address of A will be printed. Since once more thing I said that for extracting the address, it is not mandatory to do typecasting int pointer. So if we just dereference S, then also it will be printed A. So that we will see in the next line. So let's check the output of this. What is this? Dereferencing. I am doing dereferencing. Then int pointer I am typecasting. Okay. So let us check this line properly. Comment out. Now what it is printing. Let's check. Yes, it is printed. What is printed? Address, correct? So it has printed the address of A. Now check the next line. 36. What I am doing? Dereferencing to S. Now same thing. If I dereference to S, it will print the what P is holding. P is holding address of A. Address of A. For address of A, typecasting is not necessary. It may throw warning, but it is not necessary. It will give the same thing. So see address of A. Let's check. It will give an address of A, correct? So this series correct. Now move to line 37. What I am printing here, double dereferencing I am doing. Yes, I can do here because it is triple pointer, correct? So double dereferencing, what it will give, S is holding address of P, P is holding address of A, and since doing double dereferencing, so what A will hold, that will be printed. A is holding value 1024. A is holding what? 1024 value. So double dereferencing I am doing and then typecasting it. So since it is a triple pointer, now this is the thing, since it is a triple pointer, so I am able to do the double dereference and then typecast. I cannot do here the triple dereference then typecast. That will throw an error. That will be no output. I will see in next time. So here we can see 124 value will be there since triple pointer. So first till double dereference valid, then typecast. So let us check the output. See, it is given 124 value, correct? Since it is a triple pointer and holding, so till 3 layer difference dereference is not required only here. Till 2 layer difference is required because it is holding first address of A. One time dereference means what P is holding address of A. Second time dereference means what A is holding. Now it will reach to what A is holding, and then once it reaches to A is holding 124, we will typecast it into double pointer simply, and then we are getting the value 124, correct? Next, check line 38. What is this? Here I am doing triple tap dereference. So in double tap dereference itself we are getting 1024, correct? So one more time if you difference, then there is no valid address again. Only two address it is holding, address of P and address of A. So it will give no output. Again no output but no error. Let us check. There will be no output, correct? There is no output. This is the previous output 1024, but this is the no output. Okay. So let us move to the next line number. So let's comment this. Line number 41. So what is this? I have taken triple pointer D, which is holding the address of A variable. Line number 43. What I am doing? I am printing address of D. I am printing D. So D will give what? Address of itself. Address. What D will give? D is holding address of A. So what it will give? Address of A it will give simply. Let us check address of A. Which given or not? Yes, address of A is given. Correct. Line number 44. So now I am dereferencing to D. So if I dereference to D, what it will give? D is holding address of A. So if I dereference means what A will hold, that will be given. So if A is holding 1024, it will give 1024. Let's see. Right? It is given 1024. Now this is the thing. Here just I am dereferencing and it is giving the value 1024. The typecasting is not required. Dereferencing to D and dereference to D, what A will hold, that is given 1024. Since D is a int type pointer, so typecasting is not required. This is the thing. It is not a void pointer. In case void pointer, we have to typecast it. So next, check line number 45. What is this? I am doing double dereference. So double dereference is what? D is holding single address. But if I double dereference means, then again same case, no valid address. Yeah, it will try to go to the invalid address. Since there is no valid address, double dereference, so it will give no output but no error. Same thing. There will be no error but no output will be there. Let's check. So there is no output, correct? Let's comment out this one. Next, come to 46. So what is this actually in 41? Triple pointer I am assigning only single address, that is also allowed. It's not like that triple pointer is there and triple address only will be allowed, or double address, single address can also be held by the triple pointer. So line 46, what I am doing, triple dereference sampling. I can do it is triple pointer, triple type dereference I can do, correct? But it is, since it is not holding any address triple times, triple address is not holding, so there will be no output in this case also. In single address it is holding. So double dereference, similar to double dereference, triple dereference also, there will be no output but no error. Let's check. No output, correct? Let's comment out. Now line number 48. Move to 48. So what is this? I have taken quadratic pointer E, which is holding address of A, correct? Quadratic pointer I can take where I have assigned single address of A. Now line 49. What is this? Triple pointer which is holding address of E. So triple pointer can hold address of quadratic pointer. So it can hold the triple pointer can hold the address of quadratic pointer. So there will be no error like that. So it is a pointer. So it can hold address of any quadratic pointer, 10 times pointer, correct? 9 times pointer address it can hold. So triple pointer holding here address of quadratic pointer. So it is valid. So these are the in-depth concepts which you will not get everywhere. So you repeat this video, you will get more clarity while understanding this, and similar kind of videos will be coming soon. So some more in-depth concepts will come in next video, so you can wait and watch, and more conceptual and interesting videos will be coming which will help you in cracking any interviews. Go through these videos, have clarity, and do subscribe and comment below if you want similar kind of more conceptual in-depth videos. Thank you.